search the ledin segitiro to and guidance la people la kasushu ani tiringi reading the lotak chewa lota gichi do ani kalaure august ki mantra tanga zo tawa sawa chiko su do da July so che august go su do ani august ki tawa di kiran so ichi do kade kade to do on the core line ani those of you who wants to watch in English, your time stamp will be in the description, so check out there as well. Ra ani tangbong absuki. Okay, kalore. Jiwala so August month. Your August month can date to do ra. Okay. Tapi kira current energy retara current energy kan day do chitu kira zo samata da kan day to chitu desha okay ani kira ki kalaure kira ki health kira ki kalaure wealth kira ki health kira ki relationship ani kira ki kalaure career okay kira ki career ani kira la this pass jauh okay ani kira ki chidu blessing sum okay blessings July month la kira la blessings kare li do di ko lagi okay ani tango kira ki kalaure tango kira ki current energy oh current energy la kira so tis emotional la ore de ba ma khang wala ore खरे लेने चिक देवा महान देवा ठो दो यार चिक सब छोड़ छाड़ के जाना है लाए चो एंटी टू चिक फील चिक मेंटल सम चिक का जी चिक देता यार छे छे का टो समय तो दा याना खलाव ने गुरु चिको टो समय तो दा याना रिटम बो इन ट्रेकिंग दो ले दा ट्रेकिंग हाइकिंग एंड ओ टेंटे टू ड्रो सम दी मेंटल सम चिक दो का चिक काम दर के ना जो ती चिक लाइव ला सैटिस्फैक्शन में गयो ती चिक गलाव रे टेंशन माबो प्रॉब्लम दिस माबो दो चिक दो चिक तारा ani kalau resep itu dewa tahu dang oh tadi tahu cik tu kan satisfaction life lah terus dewa kan di mewa tak kena so kari lega cini kalau re dewa kan macam wah tahu cik yang di kari ni si relok cong lah dewa kan macamnya tahu dah yang lega yang health kan lah diet yak pun lean diet yak pun kan tup cina ya yang kalau re improvement do yak pun de ke cak mindu sama ada me oh tadi tahu cik di satisfaction cita megyo tahu cik di cik dah kan cik tu nih kari tu lah ini kali kayak debu shida midu samaya to da o tende medo sam chig ya recently kera zola simba kyo shuk chimbo chiju medo sam chig do ra ti kari ne sigre so live la ra be important person mewa cha thwe to tang ya tende kari ne sigre khang tar kera zo ti satisfaction live la ti chik simba kyo nang shuk chimbo do chido de sha okay kera zo khalaure chiwalo da so ani kira la su energy karili do okay temperance energy li do wow beautiful the energy su le de penging ji mo li do kira zo chi do kare do la na balancing koncho gi do kare ka nye thene koncho gi ne ma do na ya lam do na ya ani kalaure okay beautiful oh balancing live la balance li do la kira zo kare do chi kan la balance che tu min do nga chok chik la shuk chimbo chik nga lung do do sam gi wa ine balance la ra balance pe apole tu do okay kena zola kang tarata yakpo ligi tu ya balance ligi tu ani kena zola prism support ho chi khare go ne tak tak sangma kena zola chu yung he me o de kang tar kena energy chu penging chi ligi tu august month le kena energy penging chi ligi tu kena zola expect chi ra okay nga energy ning chi mo yakpo positive ligi yes sam dara khajin da current energy kena zo je ti chi lo du dara ine ligi de penging chi mo du ra nang la che pugo yore ki ke de okay ani mic nang ko ye da mena ka she ani kala ore da okay kena zo la energy paying je mo chuli dura sim de ko mindu da kena zo te skill me wa ine ke mindu kyu ye ga cha do balance legi do koncho gi do li da dile las ka de gore la koncho gi do la di kena zo khari do la menam gya wa ine to be adi da oh then to chili do okay ani kena zo ga chi kala so ni health la sa ya kiran so health chinda khalaure na august man na kiran so health kandi do chi de la be healthy de kiran so be healthy health kan la yakko do simply the decision pe yakko lingi do health kan la kiran so diet yakko so sam na diet yakko the this healthy sugi diet yakko lingi sam na lin to ge resha ani kiran so khalaure major rimba do chi so bola na sa do you major rimba do chi sam de ne pe yakko do ra khalaure minga to major rimba do chi da de la pe yakko do ani kiran so khalaure mixing exercise to chi chena group na la chena pe ning chi mudu ra group la che ya da pe na yoga to group chene yoga che to dang ani khare ta gym na group chene gym che to da yora da ta mi da so khare khare la interest yora o de group ka la ning chi mudu ani health ka la kena zo chitan ka la ore decision pe abo lenti du kena zo so bola dis da ka nge do tu nasa to du chik andi to chik gyun ma che wan de chik na de du khare na samba ine august ki month le kirang zo la solution la ira nasa de ta nasa de le du thap de kirang zo la nge sa re yo o de to chi pe khang tar yak du kirang zo chi weight gain che ne weight lose che ma to ne quality gi wa ine kirang zo la ani august ki month le kirang zo dis chik ta decision yak len to ye sho da di che o ding ye chuden la yak shu de rang re do da ding ala tissue thubu du la so ha go ye o de decision pe abo len to ge gi kirang zo health ka yak puting du ra kiran so khala so relationship la khala relationship okay relationship la kiran so ti chikta khala ore sheda khala ore nye kali gyagi ye la cho relationship to la nye kali gyagi ta su sheda ngala ya puchi mindu samay to da ende ye sar re kiran so relationship like this and feel chi ye sar ra khala ore ti si thang chi ye so ra chme nge pa pe se wa chi pa pe ya puchi pa pe jambu chi da su ngala sheda ya puchi mindu chu ngala pha chi wa na shin su sam shi chi mindu samay chi ya o te ri do chi ya du ani khala ore ti chi ta ende to yo ine da kiranzo august ki month la august na la kiranzo la khari la na su response pe ning chi mo thong ya la sar yo kiranzo nam gyun expectation shawa nang shin di response pe ning chi mo kiranzo tsala tsu le sar e august na la ra ya ko do relationship da kirangi di relationship gal jarne tir da ya kau choga kimi kala or pala amla pingya nang mi da sula chane kirangi ning ye shu do da sula chi yo de la chana ti yo ra su pe se wa ya ko che sar e ra da kirangi pa khande ya ko chi do da nang shin su pe ya ko che do de ne tu do ra ti bu pe ning chi mo du kiran ti sig da kala ore ta ti chik thang chi so da i pa kyang kyang chi di ni sam gyo na da chu yang kiran ti bu ya put kiran su la expect chi gyo ne re da o di ki to ne kiran da su ti bu pe ning chi mo ra kiran cho la su ning chi mo li du lan shei okay ra relationship ya ko du game do simply mi do kiran zo ti sang chi de ne simply mi do health ni yakta je du okay ani kiran ki career ra kiran zo ye career ro chon chi ni di zo na lop sen lop chung lega chi ni di zo na so career ra so ta jawa so lega chi chi ra jawa o di okay king of cups lidra okay career gan la kiran so la kharidu la na good news yakko chi li du ra kiran so kharidu la good ye good news legi ta good news kiran so di kharidu la good ne la da lega to la kharidu la da lo to na lo chong che ni result ta de la good ne result positive du yakko pe le sa re kiran so simti ko mi do ni kiran so ta da khari la expectation che kharidu la good ye ra o di good ye ti la good news la result pe yakko li du kiran so ra kharidu chi da ta da kiran so ge da reward chi jani de yu ra de chi chung na di do ni gi lega career de la de chi chung na di do mai chira o di sangma yapo kiran so sala career gi good news yapo pe li du ra an khala ore kiran so emotionally ine pe balance che tu me lega che sala pe balance yapo che tu lo chon che sala balance yapo che tu me so samlo yapo che tu ya samlo nyemba che tu ya samlo khala ore na zo ga che duk che jo adi mai ba che so o di che orda di che amar da pe tak che yapo tak che bu du la ora o de pe samlo timbo tak che bu du che tu ya o de do kiran so august month la ra career pe yapo du good news kiran so chikla good ye na result ya poligi du august na la yo kiran so career to la result pinging ji mo pe ya poligi du sinde komindu yo ani kaje chi chi do da ya leka gi chini pa so travel share tinde ya yung masi o mare yo kaje yang leka gi chini pa so travel share do sa se shimba ne to ne leka share do o tinde ya tungi du kiran so chi do ra career pinging ji mo du ani okay da kiran so gi chi do blessings tangbo okay da kiran so simla ti chi kyu me chi saka saki do cha se nangi ya pu me and ka ngi thi on august ki month la blessings kari du la nangi pe kyu shu sar re pe yo ra simba pe kyu li cha simba saka saki do digi na simba pe li cha sar simba pe kyu ni pe kyu shre o de digi blessings li do da men na zo mi chi mi se na la khare ni de ku ma do na ni ning khang ke ko chi thong ma re lai cha o da kiran so la ni ki blessings li do ni pe kyu ku do ya ra okay ni pe kyu simba pe shi de mi ka che chi da kolo ti game ba ya le yung du khandi to che la ti chi saka saki de anxiety do ti chi ende do li saka saki du cha chale ngi ya bo mando o de yung da de gi chi do ya blessings kare ni pe kyu shur to ya kiran zo ra august month la ni pe kyu shur to ya gi kiran zo la blessings li du ni ga cho ga ne okay da nga pe ni kyu ku du lo chuma de zo ta da ni da de ka ni game ne sim la yo ra ta sim la 시대 숙침보 실리도 에치메 기란서 오데 퉁기도 라셈나 베 시대 니베 교 라셈 시대는 니교 구도라 오데 아니 기란서 blessings 니바 blessings 니바 가리도 와우 six of wands victory 라 기란서 라 카제시기 치도 기란서 가리 보디 라다 기란서 내가 도치 프로젝트 도치 보디 나 온데 ke changma August ki month na ligi du ra ani keran zo khashi chi chi doyang khala ore changsa da de life partner relationship de gi ti du kudi gi ine de gi proposal keran zo sala ligi du la ni shaira khashi chi chi da engagement ra da engage ko changsa ya go la to da o de gi ligi du ani keran zo chi lega to chi khari chi di gi ne da khala ore August ki month la keran zo la success yakpo dibu yakpo thoya du ria keran zo business to da lega khari chi gi ne lop chong chi gi ne kar keran August mandi pe yakpo do duksare ya pe yakpo debu pe yakpo doing kira deba kangang deba sing laja o di yungsare ga to kakum de na ni chudung nan deba sing tongi laja chu deba kangang laja o de ge sama August na tingi do kira zo khare do chi to la kali ge ge ne debu pe yakpo tingi do ra relationship da de ko samne de de proposal kira zo sala chu yungi do la ni shwe okay lega to ine khare to la kare kale ge gi ne success victory leira name fame and money leira ani so chikke ra chimbu ni ra chimbu chae chi do lega to chi gi wa ine o de ge chama chae jo so ke ra chimbu chae do da ani kala ore ta khare ge to la kiran career to la ne relationship la ne kiran da khare ge to la gudi yo di to la pay positive ra pay victory card ra kiran zo pay yakpo o di blessings legi do ani blessings sumba. Okay, blessing sumba kashi the single to inara soulmate to the soso gi mitse the soulmate life partner to soso gi the expectation khande to chi shagi yora o dege thede type mi thuge gi tungi dura ani kira misina la mi yakku chi lisa re ra ani koncho gi do yo go ra an kiran zu singo ma gi le yo go o thede gi mi life partner chi kira la tugu do kiran zo the life already life partner da nyam do yuna ani o de nyam do deep sare to think savre to ra relationship to khare ne think savre on kashi chi do ya life khala ore business partner to the and go do some business partner and the blessings yak put to do ra and partnership chain lega pe ko yarge to ya o the thing do ra lega thola ine re da ani yang kashi is lonely to feel chigi wa ina din zo gi do friendship ra friendship pe yakko kiran to do mi ra kiran la to ya o the blessings yang do ani success yang do ra ani kala relationship la ine blessings do da kiran zo la ra counter the blessings pe nin chimo okay current energy kiran zo is low do ina yang kangchi to na kiran zo la health wealth relationship career ani kiran zo la di kana blessings continuing jimulis ra mama pe yakudu la ni she sama la pe ga to na ni shu pe yakudu July August ki month ra kiran zo la simde inde ke che go mindu yo kiran zo la district da di sab che go du la inde yo ya guidance re di ge ko chi mindu ya pe yakudu simde ko mindu la ni she okay ani mindu di kalore ani khalawre ni no desi bala thu chenang ani kiran sola last ni reading chen ni kiran sola peti pu chu jo dia di tak tak jungsta la ni chi yo la so se banal de yo ina de sama comment section la di da ngai de lawyer la pe the and law ran pe ki the boost law ra da ngara sim ship to and ship chi bali tu gudra di kiran so de chi yo last time khare gare ti ko chu di sama comment section la di da lan shei ani nyendung de la katak channel la subscribe ani okay new to che yong tu che nang okay so if your Tibetan zodiac sign is red, then this video is for you. This is reading for August month. So here we go. First, I'm checking your current energy and the energy coming your way, and then your health and your relationship and your career, and 3 big blessings for upcoming month, this August month. Okay. So first of all, your current energy is looking a little bit low. I don't know why. You might have lost someone in your life, or you lost something from your career, or you are like not satisfied with whatever you have right now. It seems like you are not satisfied, or you are trying to go some other place, some like you are planning to go for hiking or trekking, or maybe other country, like you might be trying that and you are not very satisfied with your life right now. I feel like that in your reading. So you might be sad of losing someone maybe. Okay, so right. So energy the coming your way is so beautiful. This is temperance, and this is bringing you lots of balance in your life. If you are not balancing your life with career and your relationship or your health, then the balance is coming your way. The balancing of your life is coming your way, and how do you say, you are receiving blessings from God or whoever you believe, like God, Goddess, or like three jewels, whoever you believe. You are receiving a lot of guidance and blessings from the higher power. Okay, so there's a lot of balance is coming your way. So it's a beautiful energy. Okay, you can balance everything in like August month. So the energy coming your way is beautiful. And then your health, about your health, you're deciding to take action. Okay, about your health. So you might be taking gym sessions or yoga sessions, or if you are a little bit ill, sick, or you are not very well right now, then you will take some action that will be very beneficial for your health. Okay, so for your health, you are taking very good decisions in August. Okay, so I can see you are being very active about your health, taking precautions on the how do I say? Okay, so you're basically you're very healthy in August. Okay, after that, your relationship, I feel like you are a little bit not satisfied with your relationship, I think. Or yes, you are not satisfied. You are giving a lot of your energy, a lot of thing to your partner or your friend or your parents, or whoever this your relationship with, your close one, your loved one. You are giving a lot of energy, but you feel like I'm not receiving that same energy from that person, right? That loved one. If you're feeling like that right now, then in this month, in August, you will receive a same energy from that person, okay, towards you, and you will feel more satisfied. You will feel satisfied by that action, that energy from that person, from your loved one. Okay, so you feel like, okay, now I am satisfied with my relationship. You will feel like that in August month. Okay, so for after that, for your career, you will receive a very good news. You will receive very good whatever you're waiting for. You must, if you are a student, you're waiting for the result, or you are a working person and you're waiting for some project or some promotion or some good news. If you're waiting for something like that, then you will receive this good news in August. Okay, and whatever you are waiting for, you will receive that for sure in August, and that result will be very positive, and you will be very happy. You will satisfied, and you are emotionally, very becoming very mature and emotionally balanced. And or you can go in other place, other country to work. That can be also possible if you are planning to. Okay, so your three blessings. First blessing was for soul. So this says that you will sleep better in August. Okay, if you're going through some anxiety or little mild depression or anxious, if you're not feeling very well, then in this month, in August month, you will feel better, and you will sleep well, and you will feel more peace. So the peaceful is coming your way, and more better sleep is coming your way. If you are going through lots of tensions, thinkings, depression, anxiety, like that, then you will feel better in this August month. Okay, and your second blessing is Six of Wands, and this says that whatever you're working for, whatever you're waiting for, you will receive very positive result from that work. Okay, so if you're working towards something, then if you want to have name, fame, or money, you will receive that. You will have that in August month. If you're working towards some projects, that will be very good, that will be successful, and you feel, you will get lots of praise from your higher boss, or this can be anyone. So, and if you are waiting for some relationship to become next level, to go to next level, then this can happen as well. You will receive how do we say, proposal to get married, to get engaged. Okay, so you can also receive that kind of proposals as well if you are waiting for them. Yes, this is very, very, very good card. Okay, so Okay, and then your third blessing is your partnership. Okay, if you are in a relationship, you will become more deep into each other, and you will feel more connected. You will feel more understanding towards each other. Or if you are single, then waiting to go in a relationship, you will also meet a person. You will meet a person who is so good to you, so similar, whatever you wanted, kind of personality, that person will have that personality you will love about it. Okay, so if you are single, then you are going to get a mingle, and if you are in a relationship, that relationship is going to get deeper in this August month, more understanding, more love, deeply feeling connected. Okay, so relationship is going to your relationship is blessed. Okay, so in this August month, and if you're waiting to have a partnership in a business, that partnership also, you will meet a partner that same kind of energy you have, and you'll feel more satisfied towards that partner, and you will feel like your business is going to boom. Okay, so like that. So there's partnerships blessings. Okay, and victories blessings and peaceful blessings. Blessings are beautiful for you in this August month. Okay, so that's it for today's reading. I hope you understand. You get your all the whatever you wanted, the message you will receive. You will take it beautifully. Okay, so that's it. And if you feel like something, then you can write whatever you feel like. You can write in the comment section and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you very soon. Bye bye.